Hey guys, Jared here, and I got this new mouse pad. I was looking for a mouse pad that would cover a larger majority of my desk here. This mouse pad is a lot larger than the other one that I do have here, and I like that it has all the shortcuts for the Microsoft applications, especially Excel, because I just can't remember all of them. So not only do you have a mouse pad that's functional, you can actually use this to have all your formulas in PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, universal shortcuts. I mean, everything's right here for you. So you can go ahead and put down your mouse pad right here, have your laptop on the other side, and have it work and flow just the way that it needs to. You can see that the mouse is easily moving across the screen without dragging, dropping, or having any issues, versus if it was on just the desk by itself. Sometimes it would skip and flutter and not be a smooth movement. So this would be great for office spaces because you have all of your application shortcuts right here. It's a larger mat, so you don't have to really worry about the area that you're moving your hand, and it just looks great on the desk too. It's got non-slip, so that way I can do all the things that I need to do each day. So I would definitely recommend checking this out.